Hi, my name is Hamza. I, with my groupmate Raman, Jitinder, Shelly, and Aman, are going to present a video. And the technology we have chosen is auto-driven car. So first, we will show you a promotion video, and then we'll directly start with the introduction.
Please go ahead.
Hi, my name is Shelly, and I would like to introduce our presentation technology, that is auto driving or autonomous car. So, what is auto driving car? A self driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle, driverless car, or robotic car, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Now, I would like to talk about the history of auto driving cars. So, experiments have been conducted on automated driving systems since at least the 1920s, and its trials began in 1950s. The first semi-automated car was developed in 1977 by Japan's Tsukuba Mechanical Engineering Laboratory. Few decades uh, are spent in upgradation of auto driving car along several states of America by big corporations. In 2017, Audi stated that its latest A8 would be automated at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, and it was claimed to be the first production car to reach level 3 automated driving. Now, talk about Tesla, which is the biggest known automobile company to produce automatic cars. Tesla Model outstanding figure in revenue as well as stocks. So now Raman will further explain the benefits of these cars.
Hi everyone, I'm going to describe the benefits of auto-driving cars. So here's the first benefit, that is it helps to decrease the rate of accidents as it is driven by computers. So there are sensors in the cars that help to maintain the distance from other cars. So it is very helpful in the traffic as well as there is one main reason for accidents, that is a distraction. So And basically, these cars are driven by computers, so there is no chance of distraction. So it helps to reduce the accidents. And also, these cars are environment friendly, as the most of the self-driving cars are electronic cars. So it reduces the danger to the environment that are caused by the fuel cars. As there is an example from America, as the American drivers spent 7 billion hours in the traffic, and their losses 160 billion of fuel in traffic congestion. So basically, the electronic cars help to save the money that we spend on the fuel, and also help to reduce traffic and accidents. So these cars are more functional than simple cars, as these cars are using the blind spot warnings that help to warn the driver if they are driving this car, or help to and also to reduce the accidents. And also, these cars use the automatic brakes, and also use the detection for walking person, that they know if they pass by. And also, it maintains the safe distance with the help of sensors from the surrounded cars. So these cars are very helpful for the disabled and old age people, as they do not need to depend on others. And also, they can easily get into the cars, as the structure of these cars is like uh, very is like for disabled people to easily get into the car. And also, there is some health benefits from these cars, as uh, there is no any harmful emission from these electronic motors. This does not make any sound, and also it runs very smoothly on the road. And also, there is no bad effect of these cars on environment. And there is one research that shows the electronic cars like Tesla produce gas emissions that is just a quarter of the gases produced by the fuel cars. Uh, so these are the benefits of uh, auto-driving cars. So now the Hamza will describe the disadvantages of these cars. Thank
Hi, my name is Hamza. So, as Raman walked us through the benefit of the auto-driving car, I would like to acknowledge the disadvantages it has. So, first and foremost, it's expensive. So, these high-tech cars are equipped with high-end inputs like sensor, softwares, and modified spare parts, which are like highly expensive. And above of that, like uh, there is a ton of money invested in research of this kind of car, which make this car like incredibly expensive and nearly impossible for an average person to afford. Second point is like safety and security concern. So all of these auto-driving car are operated through computer which need programming, and so there is a chance of getting a technical fault in a programming that can lead to misfunctioning of the system. So for example, in a populated area where the car need to activate the brake, because of the virus present in the programming, it activate the accelerator, which can cause like a serious accident. So the next is prone of hacking. So all of this like pre-program based software that operates the that's operate these cars, the auto driving cars, are designed in such a way that it collect the information about the driver to track and monitor its behavior. So this information sometimes get hacked by the hacker. They can access it and can misuse the information against the owner. So the next point is fewer job opportunities for others. Like as more and more of this technical intelligence gain trained, it will reduce and overtook the job opportunities of manual drivers and pilots. So which can lead to an increase in unemployment rate, and it will affect the economy of the country, and it also affect the GDP. So for the last and not the least, is non-functional sensor. As Raman told us, these high-tech cars are geared up with sensors that sense that's nearby while driving. But these sensors can also uh, this sensor can also happen to get some failures because of the destructive weathers like high snowfall, heavy snowfalls, floods, or extreme storm. And sometimes this can also like misfunction in the highly dense populated area, like where anybody come suddenly in front of the car and it can cause accident. Now my friend Jitendra will follow up further and wrap up this presentation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as Hamza and Raman described the advantages and disadvantages of the self-driving cars, I'm going to describe the future scope of these cars. As in future, the software used in these cars will be more updated and safer than current cars. So these kind of software used to make the another useful machines like automatic trucks that will be helpful in the economy of the country. And also with a lot of uses of these cars, people will be more trust on these cars. And also it is help to reduce the rate of death that caused by the accidents, as it was 36,000 people died in accidents in America and 2,000 in Canada. So it will be very helpful in the future. So in the end, there is a lot of benefits and disadvantages of these cars, but there is a one limitation for these cars, as if the two cars struck in the accident, then whose fault is it? So it will be covered with the more updated version of software that used in these cars. So at the end, the conclusion is that these cars will be very helpful for the people, but also there is some limitation that will that will have the bad or good impact on the society. So thank you for watching.